Hi all, welcome to my channel Stepping Stones to Success. So in this video I am going to talk about very basic things about the OET examination. So many of the students are really working very hard to crack this examination. Occupational English test is an international English test to assess the proficiency of our language. So one thing is very clear that they are going to assess only the English proficiency of our language. They are not going to assess our knowledge regarding the subject matter. When you are preparing for this OET examination, first you should have a strong determination in your mind. Yes, I will crack this exam. And along with that, we have to have regular practice. When they are preparing for the examination, what they usually face is when they score less marks, and for example I can say that when they start listening they will never understand what is this, and they will find very difficult to understand things. So automatically they will have a feeling that no, I cannot do this, it is really a difficult thing for me, and they will get depressed. Students will get depressed. That should not be there, because initially everybody, even those who got a good score, a grade, also initially they face a similar thing. So don't get upset by scoring less marks in your initial things. Now I will give a brief introduction about the OET examination. OET has mainly 4 modules. It is reading, listening, writing and speaking. These are the 4 modules. Okay, when we talk about reading we have totally 42 questions. 42 questions will be there in the reading, and in writing you will get 1 case note, and you have to write a detailed description about the case note based on the recipient. I will tell in detail later. And next is listening. Listening also you will have 42 questions, and we have to answer it according to what we hear. Then speaking you will have 2 role play cards that we have to speak it for 5 minutes. Okay, now I will start about reading. So reading is a module basically many of the students face. It is very difficult. When I talk about myself, I too find difficulty in this particular module, but it doesn't matter. When you practice, when you have a regular practice, certainly you will be able to improve yourself and you will be able to crack B grade for OET. Okay. So in reading you have mainly part A, part B and part C. So part A is very crucial part of this reading, because in part A we have 20 questions and we get only 15 minutes to answer. Then you have part B. In part B you have 6 questions, and in part C you have totally 16 questions. So when you score 20 out of 20 in part A, it is very sure that we will be able to crack B grade in OET. So we have to concentrate more, or we have to practice more in A part, so that our mind will be so set to read the things very clearly and to answer the question. So in detail I will be telling about all these modules in the forthcoming videos, but now just I will give only introduction about this. Okay, in part A I told that we have 15 minutes to answer 20 questions, and in part B and part C we totally have 45 minutes. So overall time is 60 minutes for reading session. So part A 15 minutes, and part B and C you get 45 minutes. And you also have 2 booklets. In part A, after this 15 minutes the examiner will collect the part A booklet, and then they will be providing the part B and C together. That part B and part C is together, they will be providing the booklet. Okay, so you have 45 minutes, you have a lot of time comparing to part A to answer in part B and part C. So you have 45 minutes to answer. So I have told part B has 6 questions and part C has 16 questions. So you have 45 minutes, and you will never get any time at the end to check your answers. So you have to be very vigilant about that. Okay. So when you regarding how to answer this part A, part B and part C is, in part A we have to read the extracts. So totally we have 4 extracts text A, text B, text C, text D. So you will be given 4 texts, and from this 4 texts we will have questions. You have 20 questions, and first 7 questions will be related to, that means a sentence will be given, and you have to you have to answer in which paragraph the sentence is mainly meaning. Okay, so sometimes you may find the similar sentences in different paragraphs, so you have to understand the exact meaning of the sentence and you have to find in which paragraph it is there. So you have to, in the first 7 questions you have to write in which extract the sentences there, and from 8th question onwards you have to write a word or 2 words or it depends, or a short sentence like you can, it depends upon the answer. Okay, so you will have 20 questions. Okay, when I talk about part B and part C, here what is the advantages over part A is, one thing is we doesn't want to write anything there, we can just, they'll be giving some options, A, B, C options, and they'll be around, you can bubble it. Okay, so one very important thing we have to see is we have to bubble it very correctly. Okay, so there should be you can use a dark pencil and you have to bubble it very clearly. So that is one of the other advantage when you compare to the part A, because when you do part A, if you make any of the spelling mistakes, you will lose mark. Okay, so if you bubble it correctly in part B and part C, you will get the whole marks. But part C is little more difficult comparing to part B. Next we will see what is listening. In listening we have mainly 3 parts, part A, part B and part C. In part A we have 24 questions to answer, and in part B we have 6 questions to answer, and part C we have 12 questions to answer. Okay, in part A, first you will get, then they'll be playing an audio, that is extract one audio will be played, and we have to answer the 12 questions, and second extract will be played and we have to answer the 12 questions. So together we have to answer 24 questions. In part B, we have to answer 6 questions. So 6 different health scenarios will be played, and based upon that we have to answer the questions. Next we will move on to part C. In part C, together we have 12 questions, but in part C, they'll be playing as 2 audios. That is, after listening to the first audio, we have to answer 6 questions, and after listening to the second audio, we have to answer the 6 questions. So little bit difficult comparing to the part B. Part B we have we can only concentrate on 1 question, but here we have to read all the 6 questions and we have to answer after listening to the audio, all the 6 questions. And the options also a little bit lengthy, so we find a little bit difficult, but don't worry, by practice we can make everything clear. Okay, so next we will move on to speaking session. So speaking is very difficult for many of the students, like reading, because what is the problem is we are not used with regular speaking, isn't it? Because we don't speak. Because of that, we find very difficulty to convey, or even if you know, we find very difficult to convey our answers in English. So that is another one very important difficulty many of the students are facing. So speaking, as I have told, we have 2 role play card. 2 role play card will be provided by the interlocutor, the person who is going to act as a patient. That person is called as, or the examiner is called as interlocutor or examiner, and you are acting as a nurse. Okay, so you'll be provided 2 role cards. So totally you have 20 minutes of time, and in 20 minutes, first 4 to 5 minutes you will get warm-up questions, just to introduce yourself, or just you can also get familiarized with your interlocutor. They'll ask some questions like what's the profession, then why do you want to go abroad, like they'll ask some questions. That is a warm-up questions, and they'll not assess these questions. After that, you'll be provided a role card. Role play card will be provided, and you have to prepare it for 3 minutes, and you'll be given 3 minutes of time for preparation. You have to speak for 5 minutes. So that is the first role play card. After that, they'll provide the second role play card, and second role play card also you have 3 minutes preparation time, and you have to speak for 5 minutes. So totally you have to speak for 10 minutes together, isn't it? Already I have told total 20 minutes. First 4 minutes you'll have for warm-up session, then 3 minutes preparation time. So for 2 role plays you will have 6 minutes and 5 minutes for each role play card. So totally you will get 10 minutes. So totally 20 minutes we have to do the speaking. So next we will see what is writing. So writing, as all the modules, writing also some students may feel very difficult, because I have seen many students scored B grade in all the other modules, and when they come to writing they get C. So if you get C plus, it's well and good, but if you get C, we cannot use any of the B grade what we received in other modules. That is another one very pathetic situation about it. So writing, we have totally 45 minutes is for writing. In that you will be provided. So only one letter we have to write in writing session, and I will talk in detail for the recipients of the letter and the forthcoming videos. So now you just understand. So we have 45 minutes for writing this letter. In that 45 minutes, first 5 minutes is purely for reading the case note what is provided, and next 40 minutes is solely for writing the letter. But I do suggest, don't sit and write for the whole 40 minutes. You have to finish the letter in 35 minutes. So the last 5 minutes is very crucial to go through the letter, or you have to proofread your letter. When you proofread your letter, major mistakes can be corrected so that you can crack B. This video is purely for the beginners who are going to start preparing for your OET examination, because it contains only the basic things. I just told about only the basic things regarding all the 4 modules. And once you start preparing, you find it's quite natural to find very difficult, because we are just listening to the things which we are not used to. So we find very difficult when you listen all those audios and all. Myself also, I could only score 12 marks. Reading also I could only score 15 or something in the initial session. So don't lose heart. By very good practice, you'll be able to achieve, you'll be able to crack. So don't get downhearted. You go on preparing, go on practicing, you'll achieve your good results what you are aiming, that is be great, and you'll be able to fly to your dream destination. Please like this video if you like it really, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because I would like to update more regarding the OET in the forthcoming videos. Thank you.